Splurging, the joy of indulgence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and very relatable word in the English language, splurge. Have you ever treated yourself to something special after a long week? Then, you've probably splurged. Let's explore this in detail. Splurge is both a noun and a verb. As a verb, it means to spend money freely or extravagantly. It's when you allow yourself to buy something nice that you don't necessarily need. It can also refer to indulging in something luxurious or comfort-oriented. For instance, after getting my first paycheck, I decided to splurge on a new handbag. It was her birthday, so she splurged on a fancy dinner. As a noun, a splurge refers to an act of spending money freely or extravagantly on something special. Buying that designer dress was my splurge for the year. Going to the spa was a much-needed splurge. The term splurge is believed to have emerged in the mid-1800s. Its exact origin is unclear, but it's thought to be of onomatopoeic origin. This means it mimics the sound of the action it describes. Just think about it. The word itself sounds kind of lavish and free-flowing, doesn't it? Let's see how we can use this word in various contexts. 1. Decision-making. I'm thinking of splurging on a vacation this summer. 2. Reflection. I shouldn't have splurged so much during the holidays. 3. As advice. Sometimes, it's okay to splurge a little and treat yourself. 4. Descriptive. Her latest splurge was a luxury cruise to the Caribbean. So, next time you decide to treat yourself or hear someone talking about their latest purchase, you'll know the perfect word to describe it: splurge. Remember, while it's okay to indulge occasionally, it's also essential to manage your finances wisely. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Happy learning, and see you next time.